Hello everyone. Today I want you to imagine a world where the sounds you love, laughter, music, birdsong, start to fade away, little by little, until silence becomes your constant companion. Today, we're talking about hearing loss, a struggle that can make you feel alone, even in a crowd. It's a challenge that affects not just your ears, but your heart and your spirit. Imagine missing your grandchild's first words, or the excitement in their voice as they tell you about their day. These are moments you can never get back. Or pretending to laugh at a joke you didn't hear, just to fit in. You nod along, but inside, you feel left out and disconnected from the people you love. For millions, hearing loss is a silent thief, stealing joy from life's best moments. It creeps in slowly, making you feel invisible, even when you're surrounded by friends and family. It's not just about muffled sounds, it's about the emotional pain, the embarrassment, and the isolation. You might start to withdraw, avoiding conversations because it's just too hard to keep up. Many avoid social gatherings, feeling like a burden, which can lead to sadness and depression. The world feels smaller, and your confidence can fade. Tinnitus, the constant ringing, can be maddening, robbing you of peace and quiet. It's a relentless reminder that something isn't right, making restful sleep and relaxation difficult. People often think hearing loss is just part of aging, and that nothing can be done. But that's not the whole story. There are options, and you deserve to know about them. Hearing aids can be expensive, uncomfortable, and sometimes only make things louder, not clearer. Many people struggle to adjust, and some give up entirely. Many give up hope of ever hearing birdsong or music clearly again. The simple joys of life seem out of reach, and it's easy to feel discouraged. But what if there was a natural way to support your hearing health from the inside out? Imagine a solution that works gently with your body, helping you reconnect with the world around you. A solution that could help you regain clarity and silence the ringing, based on science and nature, backed by research and designed to nourish your ears and your mind. Today we'll explore this possibility together and see how it could change your life. We'll look at a supplement called Sonus Complete, which is helping many people rediscover a world of clear, beautiful sound. Imagine hearing laughter, music, and nature again, clearly and joyfully. Let's see how it works, and how you can take the first step toward a brighter, more vibrant world of sound. Meet John, a retired music teacher who spent his life surrounded by melodies and harmonies. As the years went by, his world grew quieter as his hearing faded, leaving a void where music once thrived. Music, once his passion and joy, became a distant memory, a silent echo of his past. Conversations with his wife, Sarah, turned into frustration and repetition, straining their once vibrant relationship. He withdrew from concerts and social gatherings, feeling isolated and defeated, missing the connection with others. Tinnitus kept him up at night, a constant ringing that hearing aids only amplified, making restful sleep a challenge. John was losing hope, until his wife, Sarah, discovered Sonus Complete, a supplement that promised relief. Skeptical, but desperate, they decided to give it a try, hoping for a miracle. After a few weeks, John noticed the ringing was softer, a small but significant change. Gradually, he began to hear birds outside. Their songs, a welcome return to his world. He could follow dinner conversations again, feeling more connected to his loved ones. One evening, he played his favorite classical album, and heard every note, clear and crisp, as if, for the first time, tears filled his eyes. For the first time in years, he felt truly present, immersed in the music he loved. Sonus Complete gave John his life back, restoring not just his hearing, but his joy and connection to the world. His story is just one example of what's possible with Sonus Complete. Imagine what it could do for you or someone you love, bringing back the sounds of life. Let's dive into what makes Sonus Complete different and how it can help you. Is it right for you? Let's find out together. Join us as we explore the benefits and possibilities of Sonus Complete. So, what is Sonus Complete? It's a dietary supplement, a blend of natural ingredients designed to support hearing health and reduce tinnitus. Think of it as a daily vitamin for your ears and brain. Unlike drugs, it works with your body, aiming to address the root causes of hearing issues. The formula includes vitamins, minerals, and plant extracts chosen to soothe the auditory system and improve the connection between your ears and brain. Developed by Gregory Peters, who struggled with tinnitus himself, Sonus Complete is the result of years of research into natural remedies. It's not an overnight cure, but a gentle, supportive tool for better hearing and a quieter mind. If you're struggling with hearing loss or ringing in your ears, This supplement could be a natural way to help your body heal. Let's look at what's inside, and why so many people trust it. Safety matters, especially with supplements. Sonus Complete uses only all-natural ingredients, no harsh chemicals or synthetic substances. Each component is chosen for its benefits to hearing and overall health, like hibiscus flower for antioxidants and hawthornberry for circulation. The formula also includes olive leaf, vitamin B3, and vitamin C, nutrients essential for nerve and brain health. Manufactured in an FDA-approved GMP-certified facility, every batch meets strict quality standards. The ingredients are clinically studied, and the supplement is reported to have no negative side effects. This makes Sonus Complete a safe, non-invasive approach for those seeking relief from hearing issues. You can take it with confidence, knowing you're nourishing your body naturally. That's why so many people like John are willing to give it a try. Next, let's talk about the real-life benefits. What can you expect? The biggest benefit? Clearer hearing. Imagine conversations that are easy to follow, music that sounds vibrant, and TV at a normal volume. Sonus Complete works to repair the connection between your ears and brain, making sounds sharper, not just louder. Relief from tinnitus is another life-changing benefit. The constant ringing fades, bringing peace and better sleep. With improved hearing, your confidence grows, social situations become enjoyable again, and you reconnect with life. Many rediscover hobbies, join friends, and feel independent once more. The supplement also supports brain health, protecting neural networks and boosting memory and focus. It's a holistic approach, helping you stay sharp, happy, and engaged as you age. Sonus Complete isn't just about hearing, it's about living fully. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from real people who've experienced the change. Their stories say it all. Here's what they have to share. Real people, real results. These are not just statistics or numbers on a page. These are the voices and experiences of everyday people, just like you, who faced real struggles and found real solutions. Take Sarah W. from Texas, for example. She struggled for years with a loud ringing in her ears and endless sleepless nights, feeling isolated and exhausted. But after just a month on Sonus Complete, the constant noise faded away. For the first time in ages, she finally slept through the night and woke up refreshed, ready to enjoy her days again. Then there's Tom P. from Florida. He missed out on conversations with his grandkids, feeling left out and frustrated by the constant ringing in his ears. After taking Sonus Complete, Tom was able to hear his granddaughter whisper a secret, every single word, clear as day. It brought him closer to his family and filled his heart with joy. Brenda L. from California always loved music, but tinnitus made her favorite songs unbearable. She missed the joy of listening to her favorite tunes and sharing them with friends. Now, the ringing is gone, and music sounds beautiful again. Brenda can finally enjoy concerts, sing along, and feel the rhythm of life without distraction. These stories are about more than just hearing. They're about reconnecting with family, rediscovering joy, and truly living life to the fullest. People who once felt hopeless and alone found relief, happiness, and a renewed sense of belonging. The common thread in all these stories? Consistent use of Sonus Complete led to real, lasting change, helping people reclaim the moments that matter most. The ringing faded, sounds became clearer, and life's simple moments, like laughter, music, and quiet mornings, returned. These aren't just reviews, they're stories of renewed hope, of people finding their way back to happiness and connection. If you're struggling, remember, you're not alone. There's a path forward, and others have walked it before you. Sonus Complete could be your answer, just as it was for so many others. But let's be honest, no product is perfect, and it's important to make an informed decision. Here's what you need to know before you decide if Sonus Complete is right for you. Let's weigh the pros and cons together, so you can make the best choice for your journey to better hearing and a happier life. Let's look at the good and the not so good. Pros: all natural ingredients, no synthetic chemicals, and made in a top-quality facility. The formula is science-backed, targeting the root causes of hearing issues. There's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so it's risk-free to try. Cons: Sonus Complete is only available on the official website, not in stores or on Amazon. Sometimes, due to high demand and quality sourcing, it can be out of stock. You may need to buy a larger supply to avoid running out. Results: Very. This isn't a magic pill, and patience is needed. But for many, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. If you're ready to try, there's a special offer available now. Let's talk about how you can save and start your journey to better hearing. Here's the exciting part: special savings on Sonus Complete. For a limited time, you can get a big discount through the link below. The best value comes with the 3 or 6 bottle packages, which are deeply discounted and often include free shipping. The company recommends at least 90 days of use for best results, so buying in bulk makes sense. Stock can run out, so acting quickly ensures you don't miss out. This is your chance to invest in your hearing health at the lowest price. Don't let this opportunity slip by. Take advantage of the savings and secure your supply today. The offer won't last forever. Ready to hear the world again? Here's how to get started. You've heard the stories, seen the benefits, and learned about Sonus Complete. Now the choice is yours. Will you keep struggling with hearing loss, or take a step toward a new beginning? Imagine not missing another precious moment, the laughter of family, the sound of rain, your favorite song. You deserve to hear it all. Sonus Complete is natural, safe, and backed by a money-back guarantee. The special offer is available now, but won't last. Click the link below to visit the official website and claim your discounted supply. The process is simple and secure. Join thousands who found relief and happiness. Wake up to a quiet mind and clear hearing. Your new beginning starts today. Don't wait. Take action now.